The top 7 mobile phone manufacturers in the world have launched many folding screen phones. The only one missing is Apple, which ranks first, and we don't know how long it will take to wait, or even never will. Now, the world's first folding screen iPhone V is coming, not from Apple, but from the technical aesthetics team, which took a year to transform. It is reported that this folding screen iPhone V is modified from the original screen of iPhone X. It included the steps of removing the cover plate and glue, but it took 5 or 6 months to discard 36 screens, and it was not completely successful until the 37th one. For the shaft part, first test to Samsung Galaxy Z4s, and find that they do not meet the requirements, then buy to Motorola Razrs. Its rotating shaft is separated from the screen, and it is shaped like a water drop after bending, which is very suitable. In the mainboard part, the components are rearranged, and special FPC flexible cable connection is customized to repeatedly model, select materials, 3D print, and adjust the position. In the software part, there is no sense of discord at the system level, but many apps can't be used normally, and they have also been modified, such as split screen, switching between up and down screens, etc.